We are here for another edition or another contest in the Connect Western Best Brain 2024 competition. Today we bring you the penultimate quarter-final contest in the CWBB 2024, which is proudly brought to you by Connect 97.1 FM and powered by Pepsodent. The CWBB 2024 is also sponsored by Best Brain Publication Limited, Heritage Christian College, BM Global Education and Travel Consult, Des Technology Limited, and Pella Mineral Water. Our partners, the Ghana Education Service and Anaje Choice Mart. You are watching us on Onua TV. Onua TV is a proud media partner of the CWBB 2024. My name is Albert Ababio. For this contest, which is the penultimate one, as I have mentioned, at this stage of the competition, we have 3 schools who are all very ready and eager to pick a ticket for the semi-finals. These schools are Peace International School, Western Region International School, and New Partways Academy. I would go to the school so that the contestants would introduce themselves. On my immediate left, I have New Partways Academy represented by
Monique Shaipa.
Islam Timbila.
Monique and Islam, you are welcome.
Thank you
very much.
Before the contest, Islam, you gave me one nickname of yours. You said you were a G. What other nickname do we have?
In Asia.
Well, I wish you all the best. Obviously, we are in for an exciting one. Western Region International. Western Region International is represented by
Daniela Blessing Otu.
Isran Abdul Hanan.
Great. You are welcome, Western Region International.
Thank you very much.
They very much had to come, eh? I wish you all the best. Peace International School is represented by
Raila Mohammed.
Austin Amano Akini.
You are welcome, Rahina too, and Austin. What should we expect?
You.
Oh, you're welcome, you're welcome. What should we expect today?
We hope for nothing but the best.
You are going for nothing but the best. So, viewers, this promises to be a very exciting one. We have one ticket available for the semi-final. Contestants, I will go through the rules for each round, but generally we are going to have the contest coming to you in 4 rounds. Round 1, English language and social studies. Questions will be asked from these areas. Round 2, science. Round 3, mathematics. And then we'll test how well you know your environment or current affairs or probably general knowledge. So that will be in round 4. For a major question in round 1 to 3, you would have 3 points. For a bonus question answered correctly, you would have 1 point. There is also a part of the rounds 1 to 3 named the tossing round. I will pose questions to you simultaneously. You will compete to be the first to ring. The first school, after a question is read, to ring and answer correctly will get 4 points. If they are wrong, they suffer a point deduction, which will leave the 2 other schools to compete to answer. That is considered a second attempt being made after the question is read. If you get it right, 3 points. If you get it wrong, you lose a precious point. If that also happens, then the third school is allowed to come in. That is if they ring within the stipulated time for them to ring. That would also be considered a third attempt at answering the question after it has been read. That would also earn you 2 points. If you do not get a right answer, you lose a precious point. So I will start with you. New Partways Academy, English language. So a preamble to all schools. Preamble. Arrange the adjectives. Arrange the adjectives in each sentence in the right order. Arrange the adjectives in each sentence in the right order. New Pathways Academy. Your sentence. Fred got a dash clock for his new home. Your adjectives. Wooden, huge, wall.
Fred got a huge wooden clock for his home.
So I'll take it. So it's Fred got third one you left out, which obviously is the one that was left out. It's only one left, wall. So Fred got a huge wooden wall clock. Wall clock. I'll give you the 3 maximum points. Western Region International. Your sentence. I really like your dash shoes. I really like your dash shoes. Your adjectives. Leather, comfortable, flat.
Flat, comfortable leather shoes.
That is incorrect. For a bonus. Peace International.
I really like your comfortable flat leather shoe.
I really like your comfortable flat leather shoe. So correct for a bonus. Your main question, Peace International. I always take my dash bag to school. I always take my dash bag to school. Your adjectives, old, blue, lovely. Old, blue, lovely.
I always take my old lovely blue bag to school.
That is incorrect. New Partways, you rank for a bonus.
I always take my lovely old blue bag to school.
That is correct for 1 point. Preamble. Which word modifies the verb in the sentence? Which word modifies the verb in the sentence? Yours. New Pathways Academy. He ate his dinner slowly.
Slowly.
Slowly is correct. Yours, Western Region International School. Kwame sings horribly in the choir.
Horribly.
That is correct. Yours, Peace International School. Ajay Kumi danced enthusiastically on stage.
Enthusiastically.
That is correct. So for the next 2 questions, a preamble, the same preamble for the next 2 questions. Preamble. Identify the literary device used in the following expression. Identify the literary device used in the following expression. Yours, New Pathways Academy. This tyrant, whose sole name blisters our tongues.
Hyperbole.
That is correct. Yours, Western Region International. Life contains nothing but clear skies up ahead.
Metaphor.
That is correct. Peace International. It was as damp like dew in the morning.
Simile.
That is correct. Same preamble. New Pathways Academy. As I lay down on the ground, I could feel the grasses caressing the soles of my feet.
Personification.
That is correct. Western Region International School. You are clearly confused with the situation you have found yourself in. New Pathways Academy.
Oxymoron.
That is correct. Peace International. Yours, to complete the set. People who are economically disadvantaged spend money carefully. People who are economically disadvantaged spend money carefully.
Oxymoron.
That is incorrect. For a bonus. New Pathways Academy.
Parallelism.
No, euphemism is the answer I was expecting. Toss in. For the next 2 questions, the same preamble. Listen carefully. Give the adjective forms of the following. Give the adjective forms of the following. First one, Bible. Peace International. Into the mic. Biblical is correct. Biblical is correct. The next one, Nation. Peace International.
National.
National is correct. And then the last tossing question for English. Arrange the adjective or arrange the adjectives in the sentence in the right order. Arrange the adjectives in the sentence in the right order. I love standing under this dash canopy. I love standing under this dash canopy. Big, rounded, wonderful. They are the new pathways.
I love standing under this big, rounded canopy.
That is incorrect. 3. Yes, answer.
I like standing under this wonderful big rounded canopy.
That is correct. That is correct. Contestants, we are going to delve into the questions associated with what you've learned in social studies. I start with you, New Partways Academy. What name is given to the process whereby the abilities and the skills of a country's population is improved through education and training?
Human resource development.
That is correct. Western Region International School. Identify the 2 main types of human resource.
Skilled and unskilled labor.
That is correct. Yours, Peace International. Output per man hour is the definition for
productivity.
That is correct. To you, New Pathways Academy. If I told you that the privileges and conditions which are considered to be socially necessary for the good of the individual in the society has a term, what term would you give it?
Social rights.
Social rights is concerned. To you, Western Region International. If Kweku Mansa comes to you and tells you his daughter, Yabobie, who is 13 years, is going to work for money, what would that be?
Child labor.
I will take child labor. I would have taken human rights abuse as well. So you are right. To you, Peace International School. If a child is born in Kojokrom to Ghanaian parents and enjoys all the rights prescribed by the 1992 Constitution, how would we consider that child?
A citizen of the country.
A citizen of the country is correct. To you, New Pathways Academy. If a misfortune befell Ghana and is caused by nature, how would we call it?
A natural disaster.
A natural disaster is correct. To you, Western Region International School. In our quest to protect the environment, why is it important to plant cover crops and grasses on the land?
To prevent soil erosion.
That is correct. Peace International School. The strength and vitality required for sustained physical and mental activity has a term. What term is that? Western Region International.
Work.
That is incorrect. So 1 attempt at a bonus. New Pathways Academy for no point.
Energy.
Energy is correct. But no point. No point because for a bonus Two schools compete to be the first to ring. That's why if you don't get it right, you lose a precious point. The next set, New Partways Academy. The type of map that shows the geographic boundaries between government units or countries is called
A political map.
a political map is concerned. Western Region International School. The type of map that shows the shapes and elevation of the Earth's surface is called
Geographical map.
That is incorrect. New Pathways Academy.
A topographical map.
A topographical map is correct. Peace International. A linear scale has two main divisions. Name them. For a bonus, New Pathways.
Major and minor segments.
I won't accept your, at least for a bonus. So we've gotten to the toss-in round. The toss-in round. First question. If Yamansan's mother comes to you and tells you she's told Yamansan to abstain from sexual related activities until marriage, what moral value? Peace International.
Chastity. Chastity.
That is correct. The next one. Under which type of change in adolescence would you consider anxiety? New Pathways Academy.
Emotional change.
That is correct. The last one. What divides the earth into northern Peace International?
The equator.
The equator is correct, and that brings us to the end of the round. We'll go for a commercial break. We'll be back with the scores at the end of the round.
Ow.
Let me see.
She's never had a toothache before.
There might be a cavity. Don't you use Pepsodent?
We used to, but I'll try the new one.
Ah, that's why.
But doesn't every toothpaste give cavity protection?
Not really. Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter repairs tiny invisible holes to give 10 times stronger teeth. Will you trust Pepsodent?
Definitely. Pepsodent. 10 times stronger teeth.
Use Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter.
Welcome back from the commercial break. The CWBB, or the Connect Western Best Brain 2024, is proudly brought to you by Connect 97.1 FM and powered by Pepsodent. Our sponsors are Best Brain Publication Limited, Heritage Christian College, BM Global Education and Travel Consult, Des Technology Limited, and Pella Mineral Water. Our partners, the Ghana Education Service and Anaje Choice Mart. Our media partner is Onua TV. Obviously, you are watching us live from home on Onua TV. At the end of round one, here are the scores. Western Region International School, 15 points. New Pathways Academy, 30 points. Peace International, 32 points. Contestants, in this round, it will be in 3 parts. The first part, you would answer your major questions. Second is the toss-in, and then we will test your appreciation of the science theories you learn in class. There will be an exercise you will perform and then answer related questions to that. For this part of the round, you have 15 seconds within which to give an answer. 1 attempt only. I will start with you, Western Region International School. Preamble to all schools. The temperature of a body is defined as the degree of hotness or coldness of a body. Give 1 unit of temperature. So if I come to you, you give me 1, I go to the next school. Don't repeat what has been said. I will start with you, Western Region International School.
Degrees Celsius.
That is correct. Peace International.
Kelvin.
Kelvin is correct. New Partways Academy.
Degrees Fahrenheit.
That is correct. Preamble. State the mode of transmission of the following disease or of the disease. To you, Western Region International School. Hepatitis.
Using an infected person's personal items.
That is incorrect for a bonus.
Fecal to oral route.
That is correct. Peace International. Cholera.
Sir, through contact with an uninfected person.
No. New Pathways Academy.
Drinking or eating contaminated food or water.
That is correct. Your main question, Bruley ulcer.
Contact with infected persons.
That is incorrect. Drinking untreated water from ponds, rivers, or lakes. Preamble. Give the chemical formula of the following acids. Give the chemical formula of the following acids. To you, Western Region International, sulfuric acid.
Capital S, capital O, subscript 4, superscript -2.
That is incorrect. New Pathways Academy.
Capital H, subscript 2, capital S, capital O, subscript 4.
That is correct. Peace International School. Nitric acid.
Capital H, subscript 2, capital N, subscript 4.
That is incorrect. New Pathways Academy.
Capital H, capital N, capital O, subscript 3.
That is correct. New Pathways Academy. Hydrochloric acid.
Capital H, capital C, small l.
That is correct. Preamble to all schools. So for this, it is not transferable. So you get your 10, I come for an answer, I go to the next school for a right answer. If they get it wrong, no bonus. So at least for this set of questions, let my bells rest. Preamble. Give 1 factor that is necessary for photosynthesis. Give 1 factor that is necessary for photosynthesis. Western Region International, I start with you.
Sunlight.
Sunlight is correct. Peace International.
Water.
Water is correct. New Pathways Academy.
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide is correct. Again, with this preamble, I come to you. You tell me one. I go to the other school to pick a correct answer. Preamble. An acid is a compound that turns blue litmus paper red. Each school will give me 1 property of an acid. Did you get a preamble? So I start with you. Western Region International.
Acids are corrosive.
Acids are corrosive. Peace International.
Acid react with base to form salt and water only.
Acids.
React with base to form salt and water only.
That is correct. New Pathways Academy.
Acids have a pH less than 7.
That is correct. So Next set of questions would all come under the segment of toss in. First one. Convert the following measurements into meters. 2.5 kilometers. New Partways Academy.
We have 2,500 meters.
That is correct. I will give you the Latin name of an element. Provide the name of the element. Plumbum. New Pathways Academy.
Lead.
Lead is correct. The third question. What name is given to the condition in which food is not properly broken down? Western International.
Indigestion.
Indigestion is correct. The fourth one. What name is given to the process where undigested food comes out of the body? New Pathways Academy.
Ejection.
Ejection is correct. The last question for this part of the round. Give the chemical formula of this acid. Carbonic acid. Yes, New Pathways Academy.
Capital H, subscript 2, capital C, capital O, subscript 3.
That is correct. This brings us to the end of the first two parts of round 2. We would go for a quick commercial break. When we are back, our students will perform an exercise and answer related questions. That part of the round is sponsored by Desk Technologies Limited, and the materials they will use for the practical aspect of this round is from the science set. Remember, the Connect Western Best Brain 2024 CWBB is proudly brought to you by Connect 97.1 FM and powered by Pepsodent. Our sponsors are Best Brain Publication Limited, Heritage Christian College, BM Global Education and Travel Consult, Desk Technology Limited, and Pella Mineral Water. Our partners, the Ghana Education Service and Anaje Choice Mart. Our media partner is Onua TV. CWBB, sharp and excellent.
What are the best private schools in Ghana? Well, one thing is for sure. The best schools pay attention to practical science education. Over the years, Dex Technology Limited has been the official science equipment provider for Ghana's best international and local private schools. Our award-winning science set is designed to provide every material needed for science experiments while enabling a superior, personalized learning experience for students. How is science taught at your school? Contact Dex Technology on 0246 310 704 to find out how we can help you to provide 21st century science education. Visit www.thescienceset.com today to see our list of Ghana's best private schools. Dex Technology Limited. Practical science is now practical.
Welcome back from the commercial break. Contestants, let's flip over our sheets and go through the question together. You have been provided with a pair of scissors, cutter, buzzer, 33 ohm resistor, 100 UF capacitor, connecting wires, battery holders, two 1.5 V batteries, ruler, rubber gum, paper clips, thumb tacks, and cotton wool. Cotton wool and a cup of sand. Cotton wool and a cup of sand. 1. By application of known concepts, make an electrical component, that is electrical switch, from the provided materials. 2. Build several series circuits as possible to help you ascertain the functions of the individual circuit components provided in the materials above, using the self-made switch as a major component. In each circuit, draw the appropriate circuit diagram for draw the appropriate circuit diagram for it using the right circuit symbols. And then you have two related questions you need to answer. State one use of a buzzer. 2, name any device that operates using capacitors. Contestants, you can start work. You have 15 minutes to complete.
Best Brain Publication is an educational publishing firm with an in-depth knowledge in the new standard-based curriculum. We deliver quality content by investing in authorial skills and editorial refinement. Our team of experts have meticulously developed books in all subject areas.
Yes, I did it!
Dudu, how did you do it?
I used the best way book to connect the computer.
Oh, that's my ball!
All our books rest on 6 broad core skills: creativity and imagination, student leadership, citizenship, critical thinking and problem solving, digital literacy, collaboration and communication. For preschool, we have literacy, numeracy, phonics and writing. For kindergarten, we have literacy, numeracy, our world and our people, creative arts, phonics, writing and picture reading. For basic 1 to 6, we have mathematics, science, English, our world and our people, computing, history, religious and moral education, creative arts, Asante Chi and Equiapim Chi. For basic 7, 8 and 9, we have mathematics, science, religious and moral education, social studies, creative arts, career technology and computing. And we also have questions and answers for all subjects. We have provided links and QR codes under the various topics in our books to link to the world and find out what other people are also learning. Contact us on 0507 200 200. Best Brain Publication. Tomorrow's education today.
Welcome back from the commercial break. Contestants, you've gone through 15 minutes of attempting to go through our exercise and answering the related questions to rate. Well, you were expected first to, by a known concept, make an electrical component or switch from the provided materials. You were also expected to build several series circuits as possible and to help you ascertain the functions of individual circuit components provided in the materials. You use some self-made switch as a major component. And then in each circuit that you build, you draw the appropriate circuit diagram for using the right circuit symbols. And then for 1 mark each, you were expected to state one use of a buzzer and name any device that operates using capacitors. So the circuits you were expected to build, if you went through successfully, are these. 1, the buzzer circuit, if you got it right, 1 mark. Resistor circuit, another mark. And then the capacitor circuit. If you were also 1 mark. If you were able to draw diagrams to depict this, you get half mark for each. And then you were also asked to state the components and the functions. So if you were able to state that the switch opens and closes the circuit or controls the flow of electric current, you will get a mark. Resistor impedes or halts or stops the flow of electric current, you also get a mark. Capacitor stores electrical energy temporarily in the circuit, to get a mark. Buzzer connects or converts electrical energy into sound energy, you get a mark. And that is what we are experiencing here with the use of your buzzers or bells. And then the connecting wire is used as a bridge. So let me quickly go through, or let me quickly announce how well our students did. Well, for Peace International, they had difficulty putting all this together, that is building the respective circuits I was talking about. But for their attempt at doing that, I give them 1 mark. 1 mark out of 10. Western Region International School, they were able to do part of it and answer some of the questions. So they also earned this particular segment with 4 out of 10. And the New Partways Academy, they were able to do better than the 2 other schools. So they end up with 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10. This brings us to the scores at the end of round 2. To this. Peace International School, 10 points. Western Region International School, 17 points. New Pathways Academy, 42 points. So after 2 rounds of competition, Western Region International School has 32 points. Peace International School, 42 points. New Pathways Academy, 72 points. So contestants, in round 3, you would have 30 seconds to give an answer within which you are expected to provide an answer, unless otherwise stated so. I will start with you, Peace International. But remember, the allocation of marks remains the same, like we had for round 1 and 2. The first one, Peace International. The sum of 4 consecutive numbers is 76. Find the second number in the sequence. The bell has been rung on you. New Pathways Academy.
19.
19 is correct. Your main question, New Pathways Academy. The product of 2 consecutive even numbers is 168. What is the smaller number in the sequence?
$13.
13 is not correct. For a bonus, the answer is 12. Western Region International. The difference between consecutive odd numbers is 4. Find the larger number in the sequence. You've been bailed out. Peace International.
11.
11 is not correct. The correct answer is 19. Solve the simultaneous equation. To you, Peace International. 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. And then 4x minus y is equal to 5. You've been bailed out for a bonus. The answer, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. Yours, New Partways Academy. 3x minus 2y is equal to 10. X plus 4y is equal to 5.
Y is equal to 15 on 4. And X is equal to 10.
No, so anyone ringing for a bonus? The answer, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. Yours, Western Region International. 2x plus y is equal to 3. 5x minus 2y is equal to 8. For a bonus, yes, Peace International.
X is equal to 6 and y is equal to 3.
No, x is equal to 2, y is equal to -1. The next set of questions, again a preamble to all schools. Listen to this carefully. Listen to this carefully. What is the 3 digits bearing? What is the 3 digits bearing equivalent to the given compass bearing? Did you get a preamble? Did you get a preamble? What is the 3 digits bearing equivalent to the given compass bearing? So the given compass bearing is south 40 degrees east. South 40 degrees east. Western Region International.
220 degrees.
That is incorrect. The correct answer is 140 degrees. New Partways Academy, same preamble. North 60 degrees west. North 60 degrees west.
$240 degrees.
No, that is incorrect. For a bonus.
120 degrees.
No, you should have run for it. But the answer, anyway, is wrong. The answer is 300 degrees. 300 degrees. And your own question, Western Region International. South 20 degrees west.
$200 degrees.
200 degrees is correct. For the next set of questions, please think through carefully and answer whether the statement I give you is true or false. You have 15 seconds to give an answer. 1 attempt only. If a school attempts it and it's ruled incorrect, it is not transferable for a bonus. However, if they do not give an answer and the bell goes on them, it will be up for a bonus. Peace International. 3/4 is greater than 5/6.
True.
No, it's a false statement. Your question, New Partways Academy. 4/5 is less than 2/3.
False.
That is correct. Western Region International School. 6/7 is greater than 8/9.
False.
That is correct. Same style for this set of questions as well. The following number, so a preamble to all schools. The following number is a prime number. The following number is a prime number. Peace International, 133.
False.
That is correct. To you, New Partways Academy, 221.
False.
That is correct. Western Region International, 113.
False.
No, it's a true statement. Contestants, very well done for the first part. We now are going straight to our tossing segment or tossing part. Find the value, first one. Find the value of x squared minus 6 plus 9 when x is equal to 7. New Pathways Academy.
52.
52 is correct. The next one. A car travels at a speed of 60 miles per hour. How far will it travel in 3 hours? Yes, New Pathways Academy.
180 kilometers.
180 is incorrect. The third one. A rectangular garden has length that is 6 meters longer than its width. If the area is 84 square meters, what are the dimensions? New Pathways Academy.
6 and 14 centimeters.
No, that is incorrect. So the answer, or the answers we're looking for, 6 meters and 12 meters. The next one, there are 24 balls in a bag. Some are red and some are purple. The probability of selecting at random a red ball from the bag is 1 on 4. Find the number of purple balls in the bag. New Pathways.
6 purple balls.
That is correct. The next one. If the interior angle of a regular polygon is 150 degrees, how many sides does it have? Yes, New Pathways Academy.
12 sides.
That is correct. The next question, or the final question. Solve the linear equation. Solve the linear equation. 4, bracket opens, x minus 3, bracket closes, minus 3, bracket opens, x plus 1, bracket closes, is equal to 10 minus bracket opens 2x minus 3 bracket closes. New Pathways Academy.
X will be equal to 13 on 15.
That is incorrect. The answer is 28 on 3. And that brings us to the end of this round. We'll go for a commercial break. When we come back, we'll announce the scores for round 3 and then also end the contest by going through the Pepsodent Power Round.
Let me see.
She's never had a toothache before.
There might be a cavity. Don't you use Pepsodent?
We used to, but I'll try the new one.
Ah, that's why.
But doesn't every toothpaste give cavity protection?
Not really. Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter repairs tiny invisible holes to give 10 times stronger teeth. Will you trust Pepsodent?
Definitely. Pepsodent. 10 times stronger teeth.
Use Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter.
Welcome back from the commercial break. At the end of round 3, here are the scores. Peace International, 3 points. Western Region International School, 6 points. New Partways Academy, 17 points. So after 3 rounds, the scores stands as this. Western Region International School, 38 points. Peace International School, 45 points. New Partways Academy, 89 points. Round 4. In this round, contestants will face 10 questions each from current affairs or general knowledge. A correctly answered question earns a school 2 points. The 10 questions asked the schools, they would be required to give an answer within 60 seconds. If at any point a school is not ready with an answer to a question, they should clearly ask me to skip. Are you ready? Whom would you find living in a vicarage?
Skip.
What name is given to someone who comes from Greece?
A Greek.
Correct. What is 300 years called?
Skip.
Who won the NDC presidential primaries held in May 2023?
Skip.
What is the name given to the home of a bird?
A nest.
Correct. Where in Ghana would you find Aliu Mahama Sports Stadium?
Kumasi.
No. What day is the Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Day observed in Ghana?
Skip.
In which country did Kwame Nkrumah live the rest of his life after he was overthrown?
Skip.
Which country did Ghana beat in the 2022 World Cup?
South Korea.
Correct. Who is the first Ghanaian to have won the Nobel Peace Prize?
Skip.
Whom would you find living in a vicarage? What is 300 years? So I would come to the answers to the questions you missed. You had 3 questions correctly answered. Are you ready? First one. Whom would you find living in a convent?
Skip.
What name is given to someone who comes from Turkey?
Turkish.
Correct. What is 400 years called?
Silver Jubilee.
No. Who withdrew from the NDC presidential primaries held in May 2023?
Skip.
What is the name given to the home of a bee?
Hive.
Correct. In which region would you find the Azuma Nelson Sports Complex?
Volta region.
No. In which year was Dr. Kwame Nkrumah overthrown as president in a coup?
1960.
No.
1966.
Correct. In which town was Dr. Kwame Nkrumah born?
Nkrofo.
Correct. Which country did Ghana lose to in the 2022 World Cup in the first game?
Skip.
Who became the first Ghanaian to be a UN Secretary General?
Kofi Annan.
Correct. Which country did Ghana lose to in the first match in the 2022 World Cup? So they had 5 questions correctly answered. New Partways Academy, are you ready? Whom would you find living in a monastery?
A nun. So a monk.
Correct. What name is given to someone who comes from Persia?
A Persian.
Correct. What is 200 years called?
A bicentennial.
No. Who lost the NDC presidential primaries held in May 2023 to the former president?
Pass.
What is the name given to the home of a dog?
A kennel.
Correct. In which region would you find the Theodosia Oko hockey pitch?
Accra.
Correct. In which year did Dr. Kwame Nkrumah die?
1972.
Correct. In which country did Dr. Kwame Nkrumah die in?
Romania.
Correct. Which country did Ghana play its last match against in the 2022 World Cup?
Uruguay.
Correct. Who succeeded Kofi Annan as the Secretary General of the United Nations?
Pass.
What is 200 years called?
A bicentennial.
Bicentennial is correct. So, New Partways Academy had 8 questions correctly answered. Let's go through quickly the ones they were unable to answer. Honorable Kojo Bonsu lost the presidential primaries elections for the NDC to the former president. And then Ban Ki-moon succeeded Kofi Annan as the Secretary General of the UN. Yours, Western Region International School. A nun lives in a convent. 400 years is quarter centennial. Dr. Kwabena Dufour withdrew from the NDC presidential elections. Azuma Nelson Sports Complex is found in the Greater Accra region. And then Ghana lost to Portugal in the FIFA World Cup, our first game in 2022. Peace International, a vicar lives in the vicarage. Tricentenary is 300 years. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama won the NDC presidential elections in May 2023. The Aliu Mahama Sports Stadium is in the northern region, or Tamale. Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Day, 21st September. Dr. Kwame Nkrumah lived the rest of his life after his overthrow in Guinea. And the first Ghanaian to have won the Nobel Peace Prize is Kofi Annan. And that brings us to the end of the contest.
Let me see.
She's never had a toothache before.
There might be a cavity. Don't you use Pepsodent?
We used to, but I'll try the new one.
Ah, that's why.
But doesn't every toothpaste give cavity protection?
Not really. Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter repairs tiny invisible holes to give 10 times stronger teeth. Will you trust Pepsodent?
Definitely. Pepsodent. 10 times stronger teeth.
Use Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter.
Welcome back from the commercial break. Remember, the Connect Western Best Brain CWBB 2024 is proudly brought to you by Connect 97.1 FM and powered by Pepsodent. At the end of the contest, here are the scores. Western Region International School, 48 points. Peace International School, 51 points. New Partways Academy, 105 points. Western Region International School, thanks for being here. You gave up a fight, but today New Partways Academy were stronger. Peace International School, last year's finalist, you also did very well. I wish you the best in your endeavors, particularly as you prepare for the BEC later this year. New Partways Academy, it is said that if you try and you don't succeed, you try and try again. After 2 unsuccessful attempts at making it to the semi-final, they did so this year in grand style by recording the highest mark so far in the quarterfinal stage in this year's edition of the Connect Western Best Brains competition with 105 points. I wish you all the best in your preparations for the semi-final. Congratulations. Viewers, this is where we bring the curtains down on another contest in the CWBB 2024. Mind you, next week we will come your way with the final quarter-final contest in this year's edition. I am Albert Abebio. I have been your quiz master.